Hey guys, Patrick here at JTech. Today, right behind us, we got ourselves a 1993 GMC K1500. We got it up on the alignment rack right now. Right now, we currently have our sensors on there. Go over a few different points to help out. The sensor here. They all have designations on them. I'll show you up close.
Maybe I'll bring not far away where it's
The little sticker there indicates which one, so they should be on the back right. Henceforth it is. Vehicle's facing that way on the right side, it's on the back. Got that down. Before you do anything, you're going to want to inspect your car. You're going to want to make sure that the tire pressures are correct. In this truck, they're 40 all the way around. You're going to inspect the front end, you're going to lift up the front end, and you're going to check your inner tie rods, your different ball joints, bearings. He's got a parallelogram system, so you're going to check the idle arm, the pitman arm, center link, everything in there. You're going to bushings, everything. If there's a bad bushing, it'll be cracked. There's going to be a gap there, and there's going to be play. So move on to the next part. We got that all set up, and we have the alignment set up as well. So what we're going to do is turn you guys around and bring you to the computer.
Once you got the those glasses you got on, turn it up right now. This ain't safety glasses.
And so right now it's got this reading. We're going to go home. I'm going to set this back up again for you guys. So on the main screen here, go click that button there, and you're going to follow down through to set up the alignment. You're going to click on Start a New Alignment. There's no customer information, so we're going to move on to Vehicle Selection. Got a GMC truck. It's a 1993, and it is a K1500. The screen here gives you the minimum, preferred, and maximum adjustments, or the specifications for the angles for caster, camber, SAI, if it had it. This vehicle specifically doesn't give its age. And then you have the tow. What you're going to do next is you're going to click on the wheel down there with the arrow on it. Ignore that. All of the sensors are going to light up. It's going to tell you to roll it forward and backwards. Do that real quick. We have it in neutral right now with the wheels chalked off. So what we're gonna do you guys right here so you can see right there. Kind of give you this angle so you can see underneath there. Send this roll forward first. Drop it front. Roll forward. It tells us to stop right there. All four of the lights on the sensor where the camera are light up. It tells us to stop, hear the ding, and it'll tell you to pull it backwards. That's where it's chalked. And right there. It's right there. And then we're going to chalk it back off. Those are the cameras. All of the lights light up when it tells you to move forward or backwards. Gives you the measurements of the tires. It's given us a little alert there that the tire sizes may not be the same. They are the same. That just indicates that there's more wear on the back. We saw that and predetermined that. I think up in the front it was like 8:30 seconds. In the back it was almost near 2:30 seconds. It was almost bald. All the PSIs are correct, so I mean they should be the same. Just the back have worn more. They're older. That's right. The next side, we're going to come over here and click on caster swing. You're going to install a brake pedal there, pull the pins in the front and in the rear. We're not going to pull the rear because it's independent, or the solid rear axle. So we're just going to do the front ones to get that side, to get the adjustment on the front with no movement in the back. So let's do that real quick. We have them removed. right here. There's going to be pins that sit right there. This pin will sit through this hole. Usually sits down into there. Plate, you'll remove those. Up inside of the truck. Up inside of the truck, we would remove our steering wheel lock, and we would keep our pedal compressed down there. We have a special tool that clamps down and it moves the rod forward, holding the brake down pressed. Close that door. And after we're done with that, you can look at this wheel. Now that we got that set, it's telling us to turn the wheel to the left, and it's going to have us stop right around 10.5 to 11 degrees. Those lights light up there. I'm not sure if you can see them right there. It'll ding, it'll tell you to either go further, or it'll tell you to go the other way. And the green there. And we're going to go back to straight. Everything is perfect 0.0 degrees. On the machine there, it's telling us to make sure that the steering wheel is level, and it's going to tell us to lock it afterwards. So, sit you guys down again right quick and open the door and get you up in there. Alright, so you saw how I had the lock on there last time. I'm going to do that real quick and I'll show you guys. Got the steering wheel level, and we have the lock there. All it is a lever on the back that you hold in, and you push down on that top little silver knob up there. That moves the mechanism up and locks it in place while the brake pedal is compressed as well. You don't want any movements when you're making adjustments. So now that we're done, we're going to click the check box right here saying that we have done so, and it will give us our measurements. Right now what it's displaying is over here is our camber. It's in spec, our caster. It's also in spec, but not. It's a little off, but it's still. It's pushing it. I would put it back up to 3. Same with the camber. I think that's like 0.7 or something. Yeah, 0.7 preferred. Move that up. Same with the other side. Look at the toe. The toe is 0.15 preferred. It's sitting at 0.35 positive. So the wheel is going to be facing inward, like so. If you're looking at the front of the vehicle going that way, sit in like this, and this one over here sitting in like that. Let's see if we can see that visually. A good way of telling is just looking at the wheel. If you can see this part of the wheel and see the back side of the wheel right there, where it meets, if you can see the other wheel in the back, and then it looks to be pretty good. Right now we can't see it, which tells us that it's sitting outward like that. Same with this side. Look out here. It's faced out this way. Alrighty. Maybe another video will go over how to adjust the toe, camber, and caster. For now, just to show you how to set up the alignment machine and get your measurements. Hope you enjoyed and learned something. I'll see you guys in the next video.